Check the alignment.
Move a little left. Good. Hold it.
All right, we're locked in. Hold position. Lower slowly.
Keep them straight. Keep them straight.
That's good, hold it.
Start the pumps.
Keep them running. Apply pressure.
Keep pushing down.
That's the level, stop.
Lower slowly.
Start pouring. Keep the flow steady. That's good, hold it. Hold up this frame.
Fix the joint.
Lift it up. Secure it here. Start pouring.
Keep it steady.
Fill it evenly. Remove this panel.
Pass it down.
Stack it on the ferry. Clear this section. Hold this panel.
Tighten here.
Fix the support. Check alignment. All right, move it to the far end. Copy that, moving now. Loosen this bolt. Pass it down. Pass it down.
Hold carefully.